Alright, g'day. So, all my followers that's been leaving comments and whatnot, sorry I haven't been able to get back in touch with you. I've been on holidays in the Philippines and I've been messing around with this. So, quite a few things. I changed these indicators because the ones were on there were broken, but also the lights in these were dim. So I desoldered the LEDs that were in there and replaced them. So you got brighter LEDs now, like that. And same with the back. The back ones are old but been rewired so they work again. Also the brake light, as you can see, that wasn't working, that's now fixed. This is just all the simple stuff at the moment. I'll get to the good stuff in a second. So I've got that done, indicators in the back and the front done. I put in this light here but it was too bright, so put a sticker on the front there just to, so you've got the bottom row shining onto the road still, and the sticker just glows up. Still get a bit of, I can see blue on the road from that sticker. Okay, so I've got these lights wired up to the high beam, so when you got the high beam on, goes on there, and you can see how that light there lights up. Couldn't help myself, you know, on holidays. This is my wife's uncle's tricycle, so I thought, you know, I'm going to fix it up. So he didn't have what they call here is, this is a console. And the dashboard there, they call that a console. So I needed this so I could install an old Toyota stereo system. And I also put the speakers in the front there, so you can unclip them from the, if you need to service them, you can just undo the locks at the bottom there, and that swings open from the hinges there, so you can get to the speakers on the other side to get access to the wires. Also underneath here you got two subbies in a boom box that I also made to put in here. Also you got the air horns, which I'll sound for you in a second. Dukes of Hazzard, missing one tone, but I guess when you buy something from the internet, from eBay, you don't always get what you think you're going to get, but it's mostly there. Also wired up, I've got some car horns, and they're wired up to the fog lights, so when you beep the car horns, they're pretty loud, and the fog lights will flash at the same time. Now, also going to put a bigger battery into this. I've also already made the battery bay, so that's nice and strong, and I've got the couple of good wires there to connect up. Problem is getting the battery. That should be here tonight, and not a full-on truck battery that's big enough to carry a truck battery, but that's, I just used up all the space that was available. Got a new mirror in there, up top there, and so got the stereo here. I've put a thing at the top here for, it's kind of like a cigarette light up port. Turn the stereo on, and that powers up there. And put the Bluetooth back in.
Thanks for coming, and making this the hottest ticket in South Tennessee. You're great. We love you.
So that's the stereo going. I don't want the song to start because then I'll be done for copyright. So that's that there. And the drawer there, just got some CDs in there for. That is an old unit, but the problem is if I put a Bluetooth unit in or a Android unit in that's got a touchscreen display, it'll probably get knocked off. So I went with an older stereo system that's going to do everything we want. So that's pretty cool. That's in there nice and solid. I custom made mounts for everything, because the ones that you want for this, they're okay, but to me the 2 week and rust too quick. I've seen others and I was like, no, I'm going to put a nice strong angle in on the wall so they don't come off. Okay, so Dukes of Hazzard horn. I'll leave the seat on, it's pretty loud. That's pretty loud. I don't know how loud the phone picks it up. That's pretty loud. And for the tricycle horn, so put the switch on here, and you got the little horn. Oh, I need ignition. And big horn, the car horns. And so you can see on the front there, I'll try and beat the horn at the same time. So that's all wired up there. Just couldn't help myself. I've been on holidays for 5 weeks and got the tricycle here, so I've just been enjoying myself, working on something. Can't help myself. Underneath the wiring, relays and fuses and everything are all underneath the cab. I didn't want to put all the wiring into the bike, so it's all underneath. I think that's about everything. Can't help the background noise. I am in the Philippines and there's just noise everywhere you go. What else is there? I think that's about it. Other than that, it's all just a sticker, which I tagged it with my Technified. Anyway, there you go. So sorry I haven't been able to get back to comments and so forth. I'll be back in Australia in a week, so I'll just get back into making videos and replying comments. Till then, I'll catch you. See ya.